Randy Minetti, and I'm here to talk about affiliate marketing for dummies. Well, that's a play on words. A lot of people think they're not smart enough, but they really are smart enough. If you're smart enough to hold a 9-to-5 job, you're most certainly smart enough to start a home-based business, especially with this program that I have. All you have to do is click the link below at the end of this video, and I will give you access just for a few dollars to a system that's a step-by-step system, training on how you can work from home, exactly what you need to do. And again, no excuses. As long as you have a desire, you work at a 40-hour job right now, you can work at home with us. And a lot of folks do it in 4 hours or less a day. And of course, it's like anything else, the more you do, the better you get, the less hours you'll have to put in. And you won't have anybody looking over your shoulder, no one to report to except for yourself. You'll be your own boss. And someday you'll be able to fire your own boss. And so anyway, click on the link at the end of this video and find out more on how you can work from home and be successful. Everything's there. It's an all-in-one course. It's not you click this button, you become rich. You're gonna have to work at this just like you do your 9-to-5 job. So, but the rewards are much greater. Well, thank you for your time.